Hello, my name is Eluna. I am an Akashic channeler and a psycho-spiritual healer and teacher, and this year, at the Dawn of Disclosure event, I am going to be teaching a workshop all about the right use of energy, how to clear your chakras and your energy bodies with your own self. This has come about because I am a teacher all about sovereignty, and people have been coming to me for years now to get their chakras cleared, get their energy bodies back in balance, and to restore their energy into a place of wholeness so that it is separate and no longer blocked either from ancestral wounding or past life wounding. And it has really come to my attention and awareness that what I want to be doing is teaching people how to do this for themselves. Everyone is able to clear their own energy, and I want to teach you how I learned how to clear my own energy from my guides and the Ascended Masters who have taught me how to do this. There are a variety of Ascended Masters that have been working with me for my whole life, actually, about how to clear my energy. And so what I have honed from them and what I'm going to be presenting in this workshop takes you from the very beginning of how to align your energy and align your mental space so that you are in tune with yourself, and then you are in tune with greater Gaia around you, and then you come back to your ego so that you are able to invoke what you are going to be doing. After that, I take you through the whole process with each chakra and different layers of your energy body and your entire energetic matrix, as Hathor has taught me, and show you how to clear energy and how to read your energetic matrix throughout various places in your physical body as well as your energy bodies of what is holding on to blocks, where stagnant energy is stuck, and also just to assess the quality of the energy in your chakras and throughout your body. This is going to give you insight into physical symptoms that you may be experiencing and certain emotional symptoms that you may be experiencing and how to clear those. One of the reasons why this is so important is because we really need to keep our energy clear as much as we can, and it is more and more challenging these days to keep things clear simply because of the bombardment of energy that we have around us from food, from energy waves, etc. And so this clears your energy system, and it means that your channel is also clear. So that is going to help you and really be paramount in you connecting with your intuition and connecting to your guides and receiving clear guidance and messages. So please join me. I would love to show you what the Ascended Masters have taught me of how to keep your energy clear and clear your chakras. I look forward to meeting you in person.